Hey guys, today I'll be making tuna casserole made in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 1 pound of macaroni pasta, some salt to taste, 1/4 cup of frozen corn, about half a cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of half and half cream, about 2 cups of water, and 1 can of tuna. First I'll add the pasta, the tuna, the corn, the salt, and the water. If the water does not cover the pasta, then add some more. Now I'm going to put on the lid and set the valve onto sealing. Now I'm going to set the pot on manual for 6 minutes. Once the timer is up, I'm going to give it a quick release. Make sure the pin is dropped before you open the pot, and make sure not to turn off the pot. So now I'm going to add the cream and mix. Then I'm going to add the cheese and mix it until the cheese has melted. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.